Hello and welcome to this episode of Kiri's Classics. In today's episode we're completely changing the look of this rather nasty looking valve cover of the little Renault 5. Phase 1. Cutting off the excess. There were a lot of cable hangers and so on that just look plain ugly in my opinion. So time to take out the grinder and simply cut them off. This was all done to give a more clean look overall. Phase 2. Sanding. Now the biggest step of the entire process. I roughly worked on this valve cover for a whole week. Definitely worth it in the end, but no matter what, a whole lot of time. The process was pretty easy though, starting off with the 80 grit sandpaper and just make my way up. At least that was the plan. Pretty soon I came to the conclusion this would take me ages, so I jumped on the internet and a few clicks later a Dremel tool was already ordered. This really sped up the process to get most of the sanding done. So now it was just a matter of sanding and then some more sanding, followed by a wet sand, followed by some more sanding. You get the idea. Phase 3. Polish. Now while it looked pretty okay after wet sanding it with 50 grit sandpaper, it was time to bring in that shine with some polish. I started off with the Dremel tool and an extension, but this didn't seem to work out at all, so I switched to the large polishing tool. This tool is also used in my exterior detail video, so if you haven't checked it out yet, link will be in the top right hand corner of the screen, go check that out. I'm really happy with the result. Now I'm gonna shut up, the results speak for themselves. Next video we're cleaning up every part of the engine that I will be reusing, so make sure you subscribe to follow up on this build. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Remember, above all, just go for it.